Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Everybody, please open your cameras.
Yes, ma'am, I'm opening in a minute.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Is it a blue day today?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It's a
By chance, you
windy.
people are in blue, light blue or blue? I thought there is some activity that happened in your class.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Zehra, you are left to open your camera, beta. Okay. Now, today, last time in our class, we did exercise number 1, right? You had to change
Yes, ma'am.
the gender of the sentences that were given, right? I hope you all are clear with that activity, with that exercise.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, next, what we are going to do, my signals are fine, children? Okay. Next, we are
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
do, we have to change the following in plural form. Mete o plurial. Now, what does mete mean? Mete means to put. Put in plural. Now, see. What is the first one given? Le leave. The first one is le leave.
Books.
How
The
do we
books.
change it into plural? Le
Ma'am,
leave
leave.
becomes lay and leaved become plural. Lay leave.
Leave.
Clear? Is it clear? Then look at
Okay.
the first, second, third, fourth one. Le call. Now le call. Why have they written le call? Because it is starting with a vowel. L'école means the school. École is the word which means school. Now, how do we change it into plural? Le becomes, what will le become?
Lay.
Les and école. So it becomes les écoles. Clear? Les écoles. I have written in the chat box. All of you can see there. Now, on your own, you are going to do this exercise. You have 2 minutes. It's 12:05. At 12:07, we'll discuss the answers. Hurry up and do it yourself.
Ma'am,
All
please
of you
send the
have the PDF. Yes, all of you have the PDF of this one.
Ma'am, I not saved that.
Beta, last time also Zehra provided. Keep it safe with you, no? Every time it is not
But
possible.
ma'am, I'm
Yes? Anyone who has the PDF, beta, please share it once again. And now send it on your
Okay, ma'am,
mother's
I'm
number
sharing.
or your father's number. So whenever you need the PDF, you have it handy with you. Okay, you remember it. You can open from their WhatsApp. Is that fine, children?
ma'am, I got the PDF.
Very good, very nice. Today we are going to do all the exercises of this chapter. The remaining ones are very easy. There is nothing difficult in the rest of the exercises.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, can you please tell in which la change?
Where is it? The
Ma'am, the third one.
la shares. Okay, what is shares? Now this is simple. La will get changed to la becomes
Ma'am, Lee.
les. Plural में change करना है ना बेटा. So if it's whether it is la or it is la or it is L apostrophe, three of them get changed to les. If we are changing it into plural. And shares, the plural form of shares is we will add s in the end. So it becomes les shares.
Ma'am, we are doing 68 page number, second exercise.
Yes, beta. 68 page, second exercise. Les shares.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, done. Any particular word that you are facing problem in?
No, ma'am.
Yes? No. Okay. Okay, can I ask you anything randomly? All of you ready for it? Okay, Nishika. Nishika, beta, open your camera. Tell me where is Nishika? Left the meeting.
Ma'am.
All right. Now, Prapti Katyar, beta, ready to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Very good. La tele. What is the plural of la tele? Type in the chat box and show me. Are you typing?
Yes, ma'am. Second one.
No. On the second column, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth one, la tele. What is the plural of la
Ma'am, I'm
tele?
typing.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you have.
What beta? I asked Prapti beta. I asked. Okay, I will type in the chat box if you're not able to understand. La tele. The plural of la tele. Les écoles. The plural is correct. Now tell me what is the plural of la tele. Tele means a television. The TV. Le tele. Very nice. Very good. Okay. Good one. Sanya Alam, your turn. Now, what is the plural of the last one in the second column? L'enfant. L'enfant. Enfant is a child. is a kid. What is the plural of l'enfant? Next, Paridhi, be prepared.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanya, we are waiting for the answer, beta. Okay, see, I am talking about the last one in the second column. What is the second column, last one? It's L apostrophe E N F A N T. L'enfant. L'enfant. What is the plural of this one? I have sent in the chat box. Type the plural. Enfant. What is enfant? Enfant is a child. It's a kid. Okay, very nice, beta Sanya, but there is a little mistake. Now what you have done is, see your answer. You have changed the article into plural, but you have not changed the noun into plural. That is typed in the singular form only. You should add S now to make it plural. A pen and pens. So don't we add S to pen? How do we change a noun into plural? By adding S or by adding ES or anything, VES. Different rules are followed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Similar, make this correction. Now, Paridhi, where is Paridhi?
Yes, ma'am.
Paridhi, okay, you are there. You have to tell me the plural of, on the right hand side, the last one, élève. Élève. L apostrophe élève, that is l'élève. Now I want the correct one. Qibla. Next is your turn. Qibla Noor.
Okay, ma'am.
What happened, Paridhi beta?
Ma'am, which one? Ma'am, please again.
Beta, the last one on the left hand side column. There are two columns, right hand side, left hand side. The last one on the left hand side column.
Ma'am, you have said in your previous class that we can't cover whole previous whole year total total syllabus. Then you have to take some of the help of the Google. And I want to say you the app was Duolingo app. It is the best app for learning, and you have to make
Yes.
profile in it, and it show is the pictures of horse, dog, and you have to tell which is the dog and this type of.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Now
in
see,
our
the
French
Duolingo
class.
app. Okay, Paridhi, your answer is again the same what Sanya did. You have changed the article but not the noun into plural. Where is the S in the word LF in the end? It should be lays.
Ma'am, you muted.
Now see, Paridhi, beta, even you missed the S in the end of the noun. The same what Sanya did. You are changing the article into plural, but you're not changing the noun into plural. So like this, if you do in exams, it will be wrong. You'll get a 0. All right. So where is Sanya? She was talking about that app. Okay, Sanya. Through that app, beta, I know it's a very nice app, but what you will learn is you will learn the vocabulary, more of vocabulary right now in that app. Apart from that app, try to log into YouTube channels also. Like there are different, the best one you will find is Learn French from Alexa. Type Learn French from Alexa. through her her channel, you will learn all the basics that you have missed till now. Okay, try to do the et verb, the avoir verb. She's going to explain it very nicely. Clear? Prapti, Kanak, and Paridhi, Sanya,
ma'am.
all the new ones. Try it on that also. Now, Kibla Noor, your turn. You have to tell me the plural of la copine. La copine, the second last on the left hand side.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you repeat which one?
La copine, second last one on the left hand side. La copine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Le copine. That's correct. Now, hurry up, take a pencil in your hand and write down the translation of each and every word that is here. Because for new students, this is new vocabulary. Starting from the beginning, le livre. What is a livre? It's a book. Second, le stylo. Stylo is a pen. Gomme. La gomme. Gomme is eraser. Are you writing it, children? Then fille, la fille, girl. Fille is girl. École, école is a school. Restaurant, restaurant, restaurant. La copine, copine is a friend. Now, friend, the copine is a female classmate. It's a classmate with feminine gender. What is the masculine of it? Le copain. In the chat box, everybody see le copain and la copine.
Ma'am, it's still not done.
Yes? Oh,
Ma'am, the
it has
answer-
gone only to Sanya. Wait, I'll send it to everyone. Le copain. Okay? Then,
Okay, ma'am.
élève. Now, élève is a student. Élève is also the word for student, and étudiant. Étudiant is also used for student.
Yes, ma'am. Etudiant.
Then le cahier. Le cahier is a notebook. La chaise, chair. L'homme, man. Homme is man.
Man.
Have you seen deodorants or perfumes? There it's written
Ma'am, parfum.
Yes, ma'am.
written under that pour homme. What does pour homme means? For men. It means for men. And if it is for a woman, then what it is written? It's written
La femme.
pour femme. It's called femme. That's correct.
Poor farm. Femme.
Farm and pour homme. For men, for women. Okay. Then le film. Film is film. La télé, television. Le professeur, professor or teacher. Enfant, Enfant is a infant. You know the word infant in English? Infant is a child under the age of 1 year. Infant. Now, what the next exercise tells us to do is refait. Refait is remake or redo. Avec les articles définis. Now, what we have to do, what they have given is they have given indefinite articles before these nouns. And they are telling us to remake them with definite articles. Clear? Now, what is the difference between definite articles and indefinite articles? Indefinite articles, I'm typing in the chat box, are un, un, and they. Un, un, and they. They are indefinite articles when we are not talking about anything specific, when we are talking in general. And what is the definite article? Le, la, and le. Clear? So what we are supposed to do, we will change all of them into the definite articles. Now again, you have 5 minutes with yourself. Hurry up and do this exercise in the book itself.
Ma'am, OSU is Oasis.
Which one, beta?
Ma'am, the fifth one is Oasis.
No, no, no. It's uazo. Uazo is a bird. Uazo is a bird. Now children, why they have given this exercise? See, now you will come across few nouns here which are starting with a vowel. So that is just to confuse you. Now you have to be firm, you have to be very perfect with how you are going to write them when a noun starts with a vowel. How will you place definite article before it? Tell me. What are you going to put? You will put la, you will put la, or you will put L apostrophe. What are you going to put? Like in the same example, uazo, it's given an uazo. That is a bird. Now, if I have to say the bird, how will I write it?
Ma'am, L apostrophe.
L.
Lovebird.
All of you write in the chat box and show me how we are going to write it. If you're not, if you're unable to speak it, type it in the chat box. Very good, Zehra. L apostrophe. This is very nice, Kibla. Very nice, Sanya. It will be uazo. That is luazo. L-O-I-S-E-A-U. Luazo. Good. Go ahead. And remember, H is also treated as a vowel in French language. Any noun starting with H will also have L apostrophe. If it is not in plural, if it is in plural, then we'll write LES only before it.
Ma'am, if the word is not plural, so we will not write L apostrophe.
If the word, what beta? If the word?
Ma'am, if the word is not vowel,
Not starting with a vowel. Yes, if it is starting with a consonant, then you will not write L apostrophe. L apostrophe comes only in words where it is being started with a vowel.
So, ma'am, what do you write if it's starting with consonant word?
Beta, again lift your mic up and then speak.
Ma'am, what we write?
Beta, bring your mic closer to your mouth.
Ma'am, what we'll write if it started with consonant word?
Okay, if it is starting with a consonant, like for example, it is given they livre, they. Everybody look up in the chat box. If it is given they livre, then they livre will become les livres. See, if it is given will get changed to la. If it is given un becomes la. And if it is given they becomes lay. Okay? Write it like this in your copy so that you remember. Un, they are indefinite articles and la, lay are definite articles.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Everyone has done? Okay.
Ma'am, doing.
All right. Kanak Singh, you didn't get your turn in the previous question. Type in the chat box the first three nouns. Des élèves, des livres, and un oiseau. Okay. Kanak Singh, you are writing des stylo. Sorry, les stylo, le cahier. Beta, where are you writing from? Which exercise are we doing? We are doing the third exercise. Where are you typing from? I am talking about the third exercise. Des élèves, des livres, and un oiseau. What it will be changed into?
Ma'am, actually, I got disconnected.
Okay. Des élèves becomes les élèves. Okay, everybody see in the chat box. Des livres becomes, what does it become? Everyone will speak.
Les livres.
Les livres, very nice.
Les livres.
Un oiseau becomes, what does it become? L apostrophe and l'oiseau. L'oiseau. Clear?
L'oiseau.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Des chaises becomes les chaises. Then un banc. What is a banc? Banc is a bench. It is a bench. It becomes le banc. Right? Then un élève. Un élève becomes what?
Ma'am, la élève.
La élève.
Why la élève, beta? La élève is wrong. L apostrophe élève. Yes, because it is starting with a vowel. Then, une corbeille. Une corbeille. What is a corbeille? Corbeille is a basket. Une changes to, what does une change to? Une changes to la. La corbeille. Everyone write down corbeille is a basket. Une corbeille, la corbeille. Then they professor. What does it become?
Les professors.
Very nice. Les professeurs. Les professeurs. Then we have une copine.
Ma'am, la copine.
La
Why-
copine.
Yes, very nice. Une copine becomes la copine. Then they velo. What is copine? Copine is a classmate. Now they velo. God. They velo becomes
Les vélos.
le velo. Le velo. What is a velo? Velo is a cycle.
Okay, ma'am.
Then une chaise, it's given la chaise. Then une image. Une image.
La
Huh?
image.
La image. Who is saying la image? Won't it be l'image? L apostrophe, children. Yes. Will it not be L apostrophe? Then un tableau. Un tableau changes to, what does it change to? La tableau. Clear? De cahiers changes to les cahiers. I have done the complete exercise for you all in the chat box. Des oiseaux becomes les oiseaux.
So,
Les oiseaux. Une chaise, la chaise. Why they have given une chaise again when on the top in the example also they have written. Then des stylos changes to,
les stylos.
very nice, les stylos. Une pupitre. What is a pupitre? It's a puppet. It's a doll. No, not a doll. Doll is a puppet. Pupitre is a puppet. What does it become? Une pupitre.
Les pupitres.
La pupitre. Une changes to la, beta, la. Une is female. And what is the feminine in definite articles? It is la.
La.
Une horloge. Une horloge.
La horloge.
La horloge.
horloge.
Again wrong. Again wrong. Not even a single correct answer has come when a word, when a noun is starting with a vowel. Every time a noun will start with a vowel, we will have L apostrophe. Now, H is also treated as a vowel in French.
Okay,
Loge. Then, after that, we have, what do we have? Des copains. Then again, it
Les
will
copains.
be les copains. Lescopans. Next, un avion. What is avion? Aeroplane.
Ma'am, Lee.
Ma'am, L apostrophe.
Very nice, Kibla. Very good. L'avion. It will be l'avion. Then une voiture. Voiture is a car. La voiture.
La voiture.
La voiture.
Very nice. La voiture. Good. Now, the fifth one. Fifth one, you will do it yourself in the book right now. Start doing it. Put the correct form of definite articles. Mettez la forme de l'article défini qui convient, which is correct.
Ma'am, what we have to do in fourth exercise?
What? What are you saying? Yes, beta, what are you saying?
Ma'am, how we have to do this fourth exercise?
You have to put the correct form of definite article. What are definite articles? La, la, le. So if it's shares, what will come? La will come or la will come? Go and check in the previous exercises whether it is masculine or it is feminine.
Ma'am, la.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you please tell what is the second one? Ma'am, what's written?
What, beta?
Ma'am, the second one, new scenes. Ma'am, what's the meaning of this?
In the second one,
Yes, ma'am.
muse. Muse, are you asking?
Yes, ma'am.
Muse is a museum. So what is the correct form? La muse or le muse? What is the correct one? It's le muse. Le, L-E. And in the plural, it will be les muse, L-E-S. In the first one, la shares and les shares. The third one, corbeille. Now in the exercise above, we have done this, corbeille. Look at the word corbeille. This exercise,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, this exercise is just to make you learn the gender of the nouns, because everything is divided into masculine or feminine gender, right? Every noun. So this is mainly to make you learn that. Now, how will the last three, fourth, fifth, and sixth one come? All three of them are starting with a vowel. What are you going to put there?
Ma'am, L apostrophe.
Very good. In all three of them, we'll have L apostrophe.
Ma'am, done.
Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, now coming on to the next page. Next page, children, what you will do is, you have to complete these fill-ups using what? Using the verb avoir, which is have verb. Using some adjectives. The adjectives you have missed. Why? Because they were done in chapter number 6. Not chapter 6, chapter 5 in the previous year. On page number, I'll tell you the page number, that is 58. The new ones, this is specially for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the first one, the example I'll explain you. Say Tanish, which means this is Anish. Il a 10 ans. He is 10 years old. Il est indien. He is Indian. Il est beau. Now what is beau? Beau is adjective. He is handsome. These adjectives you will find on page number 58. How they are used with differently